Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of cotangent 3x times cosecant 3x dx. Okay, so you can rewrite this integral as integral of cotangent square x times cosecant square x times cotangent x times cosecant x dx. Okay, because cotangent square times cotangent, that will be cotangent 3, and cosecant square times cosecant will be equal to cosecant 3. Okay, therefore, so here this integral now you can solve it using the substitution rule. So if you define cosecant x as u, and if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, from trigonometry you should know that the derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x cotangent x dx will be equal to du. Okay, also from trigonometry you should know that cotangent square x is equal to cosecant square x minus 1. This formula you should know from trigonometry. So now if you substitute these three equations into this integral, you can rewrite this integral as, so here that will be integral of cotangent square x, and here you see cotangent square x is equal to cosecant square x minus 1, and we know that we basically define cosecant x as u here based on this equation. Therefore, that one will be equal to u2 minus 1. Okay, so here instead of cotangent square, I simply write u2 minus 1 times cosecant square. Cosecant x is u, therefore cosecant square will be u2 times, instead of cotangent x, cosecant x dx. You see here I have exactly the same expression, cosecant x cotangent x dx. So that therefore cotangent x cosecant x dx will be equal to du, but there is a minus sign here, so I basically put this minus sign here. So that one will be equal to integral of the u4, that is u2 times u2 is u4, minus 1 times u2 is u2 du. Okay, and there is a minus sign here as well. So this will be equal to minus integral of u4, we know it is equal to u5 divided by 5, minus integral of u2 is equal to u3 divided by 3 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. Okay, so all you need to do at this stage is just to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which is cosecant x. Okay, so therefore this will be equal to minus, instead of u I write cosecant x with the power of 5 divided by 5 plus, because this minus times minus plus, minus times minus is equal to plus, instead of u I write cosecant x with the power of 3 divided by 3 plus c, which is the constant of the integral, and that is the solution to our integral. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.